Hello, class 9th students. Greetings of the day. Today we are going to have the fourth lecture of our first chapter of the book, which is the Harappan civilization. Today we are going to study decline of Indus Valley civilization. It will be the last lecture for this chapter. So, decline of Indus Valley civilization means how Indus Valley civilization came to an end. We are going to study about the downfall of Indus Valley civilization. See, nobody knows exactly what happened and what were the reasons why Indus Valley civilizations came to an end. All historians have just given smart guesses on the basis of few evidences, and those reasons which they have told are flood and earthquake, increased aridity, deforestation, invasion, attack by Aryans. These four reasons are called, or these four reasons are said to be the main reasons for the decline of Indus Valley civilization. The first is flood and earthquake. See, as most of the cities of Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization were situated on river banks, Ravi or Indus, right? Or uh, Bias or some other rivers, Ghaggar river, right? So most of the historians believe that because of the frequent floods, this civilization came to an end ultimately. Some people infer this reason by the evidences found at Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. They have found the silt or clay, the roads and the houses at Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were covered by silt and clay, which was brought by the flood water of the rivers, right? And it is believed that after that the Harappans rebuilt their houses on the debris which on the debris of their houses, uh, because uh, because of the flood their houses were destroyed, all structure was destroyed, okay, and it is said that on that debris only these Harappans rebuilt their houses again. And this same procedure, flooding and reconstruction, flood and again then reconstruction, uh, kept on, right? And after some time, these Harappans gave up and resettled somewhere else. So it is one of the postulation you can say, or one of the guess you can say, right? And then second is said to be the earthquake. R.L. Raikas, he is a hydrologist. R.L. Raikas has said that this frequent flood and because of that decline of Indus Valley civilization is not possible. So what would have been there? There would have a massive earthquake, right? Because of some tectonic movements, and because of that, uh, the level of floodplains would have increased. Floodplains of River Indus would have increased, and because of that, the water would have inundated, right, in the hinterland of in the hinterland of Harappa or Mohenjo-daro, right? Because of that, what happened? Because of that, this civilization at Mohenjo-daro and Harappa came to an end. So this is one of the reason. It is said to be one of the reason. Then second reason is increased aridity. Now, increased aridity, as they say that most of the cities were near the rivers and they were completely dependent on these rivers, on the water of these rivers, right, for various works. So they said that the river Ghaggar, right, river Ghaggar, which was fed up by its tributaries, river Ganga and Yamuna, right, got detached from river Ganga and Yamuna because of some tectonic movements and it got dried up, right? Because of that, its civilization, this civilization, because of this, this river got dried up and the aridity in that area got increased, and because of that, this civilization came to an end. Then the third reason is said to be deforestation. They said that in order to produce bronze and to make jewelry and to bake bricks and make pottery, they required plenty of woods, right? And for that, they started cutting the forest, and ultimately, a massive deforestation took place. And because of that, Indus Valley civilization came to an end, right? So these all three reasons are weak reasons according to me. The strongest reason, which is said to be the reason for the decline of Indus Valley civilization, is invasion or attack by Aryans. So it is said that around 1500 BC, Aryans from Central Asia, they crossed Hindu Kush mountains and came to India, right near the Sub-Sindhu region, and attacked on uh, these people, Indus Valley Indus Valley people, right? And it is said that those people were aware by a new type of metal which was very hard, and their weapons were very sharp, and that metal was iron. So they brought iron with them and attacked on the people, right? And they destroyed entire civilization. They captured their places, their cities, right? And after that, they become more dominant and started their own culture later on, which came to be called the Vedic culture, right? It is this theory was given by Mortimer Wheeler. It is widely accepted theory, right? He inferred this reason by the skeletons of 13 males and females and one child, which were obtained by, which were from a room. In a single room there were skeletons of 13 male and female and one child. So from that thing he concluded that these people of Indus Valley civilization were attacked by the Aryans. So these were the possible reasons given by various historians on uh, based on various theories and evidences. I hope you would have understood these reasons responsible for the decline of Indus Valley civilization. Thank you so much.